Good morning, 5K. So the last time you saw me down here by the edge of my table, we were giving candies equally to people. Well, today I have some candy, but we're gonna be doing something different with it. I want you to count with me how many I have. Ready? Go. 1. Hopefully they stay still. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so if we were at school, I would have one of you help me sort them. What does it mean to sort? I'm gonna give you a little bit to think about it. So to sort something means I put the ones that are the same together in a group, all right? So these two are yellow, they're gonna go in one group. I gotta do it so you can see it right here. Okay, red's gonna go back here. Can't go by yellow because it's different. Red and red are gonna go together. These blue ones can stay there. Red's gonna come back here. These blue ones are gonna go here. And my green one can go right here. All right, so I have 10 candies. We counted them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Doesn't matter that I moved them because I didn't add or take away any, so I still have 10. I want to know how many out of my 10 are yellow. How many out of my 10 are yellow? 2. I have 2 yellow. Good job. How many out of my 10 candies are red? 3. 1, 2, 3 out of my 10 are red. You got it. I want to know how many out of my 10 are blue. Oh, I'm sorry, I did not sleep well last night. Oh, I'm sleepy. How many out of my 10 are blue? Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 4 out of my 10 are blue. And how many out of my 10 are green? Only 1. All right. My loves, we are going to be doing the same thing on our worksheet. So that was our lesson. It's super easy. You count how many you have, and then it might ask you for how many are orange, how many are purple. All right, my loves, I'm sorry. I'm going to put these candies back in the candy bag because the only people who eat these are Mr. Birch and I, so it's okay that I've touched them because nobody else is eating them. That cares that I touched them. All right, I'm gonna bring you up. What I want you to do is get your worksheet out. It's gonna be lesson, let me turn it over, 122, 122. I want you to get that out. And let me get you set up here. Okay. And I want you to look down at number 3. You're gonna do your line and everything later. We're just gonna be working on number 3 together. So let me turn you so that you can see that a little bit better. Scoot you back and up. Here we go. We're gonna be up here at 3. This is just what we did, okay? So it says these are beads. These circles that you see are beads. Color the beads to show that 2 out of the 8 are brown. All right, my loves, you need your colors. So if you need to pause me and go get your colors, go do that. You're gonna take out your brown first. How many did I say were brown? 2 out of the 8. 1, 2. So we're gonna color 1, 2 beads are brown. All right, color those 2 brown. Awesome. Stayed in the lines. All right, my next direction says 3 out of 8 are yellow. All right, so I need to take out my yellow. How many am I coloring yellow? I'm gonna color 3. So I'm gonna color 1, 2, those 3 are yellow. Color those 3 yellow. Make sure you're taking your time and staying in the lines. All right, then it says 1 out of 8 are red. So you need to take out your red. And how many are you going to color? It said 1 out of the 8 are red. So this 1, you're coloring red. Awesome. And then it says all of the rest of the beads are green. So take out your green. And all of the rest are green. So that means these ones that are left are green. When you're done with your green, you're going to need your pencil. All right, so it's just like what we did with my M&Ms, right? You need your pencil. I'm using this marker so that you can see on the camera easily. So if I used a light gray pencil, it wouldn't blend in with everything, just like I do at school. So the answer, or the question says blank out of 8 beads are green. So it's saying how many are green? How many did you color green, my dear? You colored 2. So 2 out of the 8 are green. So we need to write a 2. Isn't that easy? That's just what we did with my M&Ms. You told me how many were what color. So it says how many out of the 8? 2, 4, 6, 8. How many out of the 8 were green? 2. My sweethearts, you need to take out these 2 color crayons, green and blue. Take out green and blue. I'm doing it too. I'm taking out my green and my blue. All right, green and blue. We're gonna do number 4. It says color the sphere green. So you need your green. Now, which one of these is the sphere? A sphere is the one that's shaped like a ball. So which one is shaped like a ball? First, second, third, or fourth? The first one. So we're gonna color that first shape green. That's the sphere. Awesome. Then you need your blue. And it says color the cylinder blue. Which one's the cylinder? Second, third, or fourth? Remember, the cylinder is shaped like a can. Which one is the cylinder? Second, third, or fourth? Yep, the fourth one. It has 2 circle bases. We're going to color this 4th shape. The cylinder is blue. You got it. We are not coloring the cone. We are not coloring the cube. All right, my sweets, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the rest of this with your mom. Remember, for your line, you're starting at the CM, okay? All right, my dears, I love you. And since today is Friday, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you tonight for a bedtime story, and then on Monday with a math video and another bedtime story. I love you, and I miss you, and I just want you to know I'm really, really proud of you. And the homework that your mommies are texting me, wow, a lot of you have really neat handwriting. I can't believe it. Like your M's and your N's and all of your math work is so neat. So thank you so much for taking your time. You're gonna be so ready to go to 1st grade. I'm so proud of you. Keep it up.